The Rosie Tank Bra is marketed as a hybrid between a tank top and a bra, promising all-day comfort, built-in support, and freedom from traditional underwires. But the real question is, what actually makes it special? Now, to be fair, built-in bra tanks are not a new idea. Many people genuinely prefer them because they reduce layering and can feel more comfortable than wearing a separate bra and top. What it does well, built-in support adds convenience. The biggest appeal is simplicity. Instead of wearing two separate items, the tank and support layer come together in one piece. May feel more comfortable than underwire bras. Many users prefer softer support systems for everyday wear, lounging, or casual activities, where the hype falls apart. Support may not work for everyone. This is the biggest issue. People with different body types often have very different experiences with built-in support. It may not replace a regular bra. For high-impact activities or people wanting stronger support, a tank bra may not be enough. Sizing can become tricky because it's combining two functions into one product. Getting the right fit can be harder. So, what makes the Rosie Tank Bra special? Short answer, convenience and comfort. The main selling point isn't revolutionary technology. It's the idea of combining casual clothing and light support into one easy-to-wear product. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.